How would you like to turn every prospect into a paying client using this never before seen emerging technology? Hey, Neil Napier here, and today I'm going to show you how you can convert more prospects into paying clients and charge what you're worth, and do so without meeting anyone face to face. And this is a good thing because now you can not only sell your services to local clients in your city, but you can also sell them to clients in other cities, other states, and even other countries. You see, in 2021, doing online marketing and providing it as a service is super easy for anybody because of all the tools that are coming out. But the problem is people still do not know how to convert prospects into clients because the old ways that everyone is doing are no longer working. I'm sure you're familiar with the old way of finding and closing clients. You get the lead somehow, you call them up and hope to get past the gatekeeper to talk to a decision maker. You have to call back because they do not return your call. Finally, you set an appointment to meet with them. Then you print out your proposal contract, you drive to them to meet them in person, reschedule because they double booked, drive back to them in a few days, finally talk to them, convince them to sign the agreement, drive back to your office, fax them a copy of the signed contract. I think you probably remember what faxes are, right? Now look, this is a hassle. You see, this is how old agencies are still getting deals signed. Soon, our new streamlined method on this page will increase your profits and decrease your stress and frustration. Now, what if we could offer you a way to cut down on the time it takes to get paid? And what if you could cut out all the back and forth and clutter that comes with the old way of closing clients? Now look, the reason our new way is going to work great for you is because the biggest agencies out there are still using these old, outdated methods. But now you can go out and reach prospects faster than any other agency. While all those old, slow agencies reach out to 2 people in a day, you can reach out to 200 at the same time. The old ways are headed out the door. Everything changes today. It's time to convert leads into clients with just one click. Imagine if you could easily and quickly create a personalized proposal video and build your proposal on a single page and get it signed with built-in secure tracking. No clutter, no confusion, just clarity and profit. And you can get it all done in less than 5 minutes. As a matter of fact, we have already done this and collected over $50,000 in payments. In some cases, even closing 100% of the proposals we sent. This is 2021, and it's time to use a new technology that is proven to get prospects converting into paying clients. Introducing Vidproposals. Vidproposals allow you to close more deals and make more profit with no technical experience and no trial and error. You don't even need a website to do this. With the included templates and videos, the whole process is nearly automated, easily scalable, and will dramatically increase your signed contracts and your bank account. You can get started in 3 simple steps. First, pick one of the dozens of our niche and industry-based video proposal templates or create yours from scratch. Next, customize it to fit your exact needs. Add your images and copy, and of course your video proposal. Finally, hit the send button. You'll be notified when your client opens and signs your professional proposal. Contracts that will pay you today hundreds, thousands, or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Bam, this is how simple it is for you to close your first deal with Vidproposals. It really is just that easy. Now, since these are actual contracts that you and your business will be relying on, we have included our custom, legally binding e-signature system to ensure your contracts will actually get you paid. And hey, if you wanted to turn this into a service, you can do that as well. Vidproposals comes with a commercial license at no extra charge. Now you can sell your services to any local or online business that is looking for a secure, professional proposal solution. And remember, when I told you that the big agencies are still using the old methods, you could reach out to these agencies and offer them video proposal services so they can fast forward their company to 2021. And you will get paid well every time you do this because of our included commercial license. And of course, we know that a great video proposal app is useless without a steady supply of prospects. So we are including our custom lead generation app absolutely free. Our dedicated app will let you generate thousands of leads every week. All these leads, combined with Vidproposals, truly have the potential to change your life. Well, I'm sure you can see that we have packed a lot into Vidproposals. Here's a quick rundown of what is included with your copy of Vidproposals. With Vidproposals, you can use one of our templates or start from scratch for your proposal. You can upload a video or easily create a proposal video right in this software using just your camera, your screen, or both. You can add a call to action right inside the proposal. Your prospects will see your video right inside the proposal, not in some third-party app. You will receive notifications when your client opens and signs your contract. Your clients can put their legally binding e-signature on your contract and seal the deal. You can preserve your proposals since they cannot be deleted once signed. You can download signed contracts as PDFs for your records. You can create thank you pages for follow-up after your clients sign. You can capture their name, time, date, IP address, and location as well. You can see how much you have earned using Vidproposals, and you can start right away since there are no special skills or experience needed. And do not forget that thousands of leads in your niche and location of your choice you will be generating every single week. Now you're probably wondering, how are you going to be able to afford a program that does all of this? You may wonder what the monthly fee would be for something like this, or maybe if you're going to be asking you to pay us a percentage of every contract you sign. Well, I'm happy to tell you that there's no monthly fee and we will not take any of your hard-earned profits. We have, however, worked hard to get you a great introductory price that gets you the complete Vidproposals app and allows us to just about cover our cost. At this price, it's a real win-win. And as usual, everything on this page is backed up with a rock-solid money-back guarantee. But I've got to be honest with you here. You see, hosting all these videos and providing the bandwidth for all the traffic is expensive, not to mention the software support and updates that will be needed from here on. But as an action taker myself, I respect people who are ready to take action themselves. So I'm offering this complete app at a very low price. I hope you understand though, because of the cost involved, we can only keep the price at this low introductory fee for a short time. If you are too late, the price will be as much as $197. So if you're ready to be an action taker, then click below and join the Vidproposals team and begin to see your life change today.